Welcome to Teacher Gamer. Today with me I have Zaid.
Hi.
And we're here to talk about Citadels by Fantasy Flight Games. And in this game, each player has a city, a citadel, right? And we're we can see the name.
They're religious.
Like a
temple.
temple, there we
A
go.
temple.
Green district.
A green district. It's a trade district. For example, a trading post.
Trading post. So I could name my trading post when I buy it.
You could name it like the fish's bones.
The Fish's Bones Trading Post. I love it. Perfect. Give it a name. You could also force other players to use their sixth senses. Like you could say, what does the fish's bones smell like?
Or what's the feeling in it? Is it cold? Is it warm?
Is it creepy?
Is it creepy?
Is it gloomy? Right?
There's the red one. The military guard.
There you go. So that's
like a watchtower, for example. Right?
So when you buy your watchtower, you can say
it's the Rangers watchtower.
the Rangers watchtower, which is northeast corner of my city, called Broomstick Palace Land. No, it's terrible, man. But some people come up with the craziest things, and you just gotta go for it. Thanks for accepting my Broomstick Castle Land.
Now there's also the purple citadels, the special one. For example, the library. It has special abilities. Like library has, if you choose to draw cards, when you take an action, you keep both of the cards you have drawn. So
Cool.
yeah, every single purple card citadel has special benefits described on the card.
There you go. So this could be cool too, because you can name your library. You could even talk about what that library is about. Maybe that's the library with all the history.
You can name it the Mimic Book. The Mimic Book.
Mimic Book Library. I like it. So that's a little bit, just a dabble into how you could expand Citadels by Fantasy Flight Games into being an RPG type tabletop game. Thanks for watching, and share that with the kids.
That's a one you could share.